Need to deadhead your Stokes Aster. Sometimes it's tough to tell the difference between a new flower and a spent flower, but here I have some spent flowers. I'll show you some. This one is obviously in full bloom. This one looks like it could be a bud, but it's actually spent. You can see the little brown tips. This one also looks like it could be a bud, but that is actually spent too. You can see inside actually where the flower used to be. And these are a couple more spent Stokes Aster flowers. So going back to these, this is one stem. This was the first flower to bloom. It is way past its prime. And from the leaf below it came another flower. This one, it's finishing up now. And then this one came from the leaf lower than that. And so this is why you want to cut above a leaf when you deadhead. You want to leave a place for a new flower to come up and bloom. Same with these. These ones are spent. One was first, I think this one, then this one came from the leaf. And here's a perfect example of a new flower coming from between a leaf along the stem. So because this is blooming and these have already bloomed, I'm going to cut these two off at the bottom of the stem where it meets the leaf where this one is still blooming, if that makes sense. And cut. That allows this one to continue blooming, and then down here there's a leaf. I don't see any potential flowers there yet, but there might be. The plant will have more energy to produce flowers since I cut this off. And that's because it won't be wasting energy going to seed. So on this one, I'm going to go down the stem, cut off the spent blooms, and cut just above the new bud. And now a new flower will grow from here.